You're wearing your Honda outfit. Your Honda Gaudi Honda uniform. All right, very nice. So this is Daddy's car. It's an Altima. Nissan Altima, and Chris is rebuilding the engine. Right, babe?
Huh?
I said this is a Daddy's Nissan Altima, and you're rebuilding Daddy's engine.
Yep. I'm going to take it out first.
So he's taking it out first. And since the weather hasn't been good to us, it's been sunny, then rainy, sunny, then rainy, sunny, then rainy. Here's a couple of the parts right there. Bolts and miscellaneous things over here. How about hoses? Do the hoses need replacing?
Some of them. The small ones.
You're really good, babe.
Yeah. I try.
This is little go-to cart here. His new tool, the Cobalt, whatever you want to call it. And your Snap-on, your Craftsman Husky. All right. Looks good. So amazed how you do this.
Yeah.
A mechanic's mind. What goes on in a mechanic's mind? Huh, babe?
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Looks very good.
Yeah.
It looks like as though his engine is almost gold. Is this supposed to be gold?
It's not gold. It's coffee. It's like coffee.
Coffee. Doesn't look bad.
How do you know that doesn't look bad? Look at that. It's coffee.
What? What color
It's
is it
water.
supposed to be?
It's supposed to be clear.
Oh, is it? You mean the water?
The oil.
Oh,
It's
the
not
oil.
supposed to be water in there. Okay. You can stop now.
Okay.